So they are not social food, right? Sure. How come you are here in South Africa selling clothes? How did it come that you are in South Africa selling clothes?
I didn't come to South Africa today. I'm here for a long time.
I never asked you that question. I never asked you. How long have you been here? I said, how come you are in South Africa selling clothes from Nigeria?
How come? Well, this is what I'm doing for living. I don't know what I'm selling clothes, but the only thing is what I'm doing to feed my children.
Where are your children?
They're in my house.
In my house?
Yeah, around here.
Here in South Africa?
Yeah, in South Africa here.
How long have you been in South Africa?
My son now, my first son is 18 years old. Just think about that.
From now on, no illegal foreigner will sell nothing in there.
We do not want any
Everybody knows
foreigners
me.
here.
Even this Baba knows me very well.
No.
We don't care if he knows you or don't. We don't want foreigners in this town.
From now on.
We are fixing our South Africa now. We don't want foreigners. If you are illegal or not.
I'm married here.
We don't care.
Got my
Check
children
your wife
here.
and go home. Check your wife, then check your wife and go home.
Huh?
Check your wife and go back to your country. It's fine. You are married. That's fine.
Although she's late now, I have children to raise.
Take your children and go and raise them at home.
Don't waste the time, Baba. We are not playing.
No, I'm not. You see,
All right,
I'm not fighting with you.
Okay, now.
We cannot fight with us. We cannot fight with us. We are addressing you.
Yeah.
The word fight, we haven't said anything about fighting. What we are saying is from now on, we don't want to see you here. This is your last day seeing you here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or do you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, now. Not tomorrow.
Clear up.
Now.
Clear up.
Baba,
Yeah?
don't waste the time. We're
I'm
serious. We are serious. Why are you sitting down? Because we're talking to you.
What's wrong? This is not Nigeria.
I'll close. I'll close.
Close it.
No,
Now.
close now. Close.
Oh.
Close now. Close. Now, close.
Boy.
Now, close.
Bob,
Before you have
What
the
am I
time.
gonna close? I'm closing.
No.
Don't close. You are standing, you are not
No.
closing. Close.
Now.
Boy. Don't know. We give you 10 minutes. When we come back here, we don't expect to find you here. You know why? We are cleaning our South Africa. Our country is polluted. Our own country, it's heavy in our shoulders. Go back to your country and fix your own country. We are fixing ours. You'll never see a South African in Nigeria selling like this in the street. Have you ever seen a South African in Nigeria? Why it becomes easy for you to come in South Africa and do what you're doing? You'll never see us in your country doing what you're doing in our country. You are an African, yes, our brother, African brother. Go back to your country and fix your country. Be a man. Have balls. Go and fight for what is good for you in your country, not in our country. That's what we are saying. We are not being xenophobic. We are not doing anything wrong. But go back to your country and fix your country as we are fixing ours. We are fixing South Africa. Go fix Nigeria. The problems of Nigeria needs Nigerians to fix it. As well as for the South Africans need us South Africans to fix it. We are fixing our South Africa. Go back and fix your country. You are a man. Why run away from your own problems from your country? Now we are becoming our own problem in our country.
Don't waste our time.
Don't go. I'm gonna close now.
Now.
Close. What's stopping you?
I want to close.
What's
Hey,
stopping
now.
you? What's stopping you?
Good.
Oh.
Close.
What's stopping you?
Or you want to call someone?
Yeah, call someone.
No, we are
If
serious.
I find you like this, you see how dirty here is. You see how this dirty, all these things, I'm going to throw them there. I find you without closing, and then I'm coming back. I'll show you.
Boss. Come in, John.
Brother, where are you from?
Come in.
DRC. How long have you been here in South Africa?
18 years.
18 years.
Yeah.
That's a very long time. How is South Africa to you? Very nice, ne? Is it nice in DRC? Not necessarily that's why you came this side. This is what we are addressing you. We do not want you in this town anymore. We are fixing South Africa. As a man, go back to your country. Fight for whatever that is chasing you out of your country, because you cannot run away from South Africa and go to DRC. Can you be able to do that?
Yeah, mina ngizokhuluma mina isiZulu lezo
Awusazi isilungu?
hayi
Khuluma isiZulu.
mina nila Mzansi ngabaleka ekhaya indaba yimbi bulwa ekhaya yabona babulala ubaba wami babulala nomama wami ngabaleka ekhaya ngabuya la fika la Mzansi iSouth Africa yaninikeza iphepha yokuhlala la nepermit yokuhlala la Mzansi
ubani onikeza iphepha
i-country yeSouth Africa
yiphi country khuluma ekhanda
South Africa
ngisho iphepha lelo lithi wena ligunyaza ukuthi uhlale la iliphi lelo phepha
Okay.
yabo le this is temporary
Listen.
Islam le
You see, this is
it's
Islam
temporary
visa, this one.
this is not a permanent
Even if it was permanent, but now we are fixing our own country. We need you as our African brothers to go back to your countries, fix your own country. You are a man of God, Paul. Why did you run away from your own country? Have you ever seen a South African doing what you are doing here in your country? No. It means you are a coward. You decided to run away from your country to come to our country because we are bananas. It's a banana republic. We are tired of you.
no ayiko yase ibanana Africa anymore
It's me who's saying, not you.
Yeah.
Mina osho kanjalo, not wena.
yeah
Mina ngithi kuwena buyele ekhantrini yakho njengendoda. Ni ulwele ikhantri yakho ukuthi ikhantri yakho ibe right. You cannot say if you are a man in your own heart, if things happen bad in your own heart, then ubalekela kamakhelwane. Lungisa ikhaya lakho ndoda.
phela lisiqoqele la
Yeah,
bayakwazi
ngiyazi
ukubonda abantu la
ngiyazi
South Africa bayakwazi
uzophinda
ukubonda
ekhaya ngiyazi
Bakwazi.
uzophinda ekhaya manje
Today-
kufanele nilungise
sorry baba sorry
here for 18 years.
don't waste our time baba
I
sicela
don't want to see
isiqoqele
this tent
sidingi la
when I come back here.
hayi uthi siyadlala sidingi
Ngifuna
la
ukuthola le tent mfethu mangiphinde ngibuye.
sorry sithi asindingi qoqa manje
ya ngizovala ngiyazi vele alikho la
ya asidlali sithi vala manje
lo muntu wala
sorry sithi vala manje
ngizovala
ya ngisisho manje sokoma phela hayibo nomfane sisukumisele wena thina uqoqa siyakwazi uyigundela abantu hamba ugunda abantu le ekhongo ngakini
Asifike uvulile siyakuvalisa lo mfana ufunda abantu lapha ameke wavula abantu wena siyakuvalisa hayi yena uzoyenza yena lo awuzuthuma thina uzoyenza yena umuntu wavula lapha wena masifike evulile siyakuvalisa wena owabithi-ke wena iba namasenga ihadini izwe lakho le iyahamba lo muntu uhlalapha kuba igama lalo muntu awumazi mhlazana kusasa eqhumisa ibhomu lani uthini ephambi kwakho la usani ubani wiki usani ungaba amadoda niba abantu besilisa lezi ngane ziyakhula lezi ngane uyabona ukuthi yadinga kuyothi le ngane zingangani kuyobe ingasekho yadinga thina imeya kuyobe sekufa ubumbane ngura sengaseyona le yakithi mkhaya lo muntu uzamfica evulile lapha siyakuvalisa la mkhaya akithi kuyezwakala kayisi akithi una amasele akithi indoda ukuthi ubuya kwenye indoda lungile kayisi
kunjani sikole lapha erenke besinomhlangano wabadayisi sathola ukuthi awufika alright ngoba bungawazi kulungile ikhinkeni uvosi siwethekweni yabo ukukhona sibhizi siyaklina yabo siklina lento yamaforena awasadingeka njengoba sila size kuwena wena udayisa ubanana uthuma abantu ngendishi lezi le rank ukuthi abantu bayodayisa rank angithi uzweli emhlanganweni isinqumo esiphumile lesi sithi akekho umuntu ozodayisa ngeendishi lapho ubhanana ematekisini. Umuntu udayisa etafuleni ngoba kunomama abadala abangakwazi ukuyoyaluza erenke ubhanana wabo awuthenga. And kutholakala ukuthi wena ubiza ubhanana u10 bona bagcina bengasakwazi ukusebenza. Sizokutshela ukuthi sizocela njengamanje, yabo? Sicela lento uyiyeke. Vula itafula lakho usebenze. Uma udayisa amafruits uwadayise etafuleni lakho. Akusadingeki kumaphara lapha erenke, akusadingeki bantu ozobathumela erenke ngoba kunomama abangakwazi ukuyodayisa erenke. Ekudingeka ukuthi bakwazi ukudayisa nabo. Abasadayisa impahla zabo ziyabola. Ngoba wena uthuma abantu abagijima erenke abafana abaningi, ugcina bona into zabo zibola. Buzoyizwa leyo nto emhlanganweni ukuthi bukhona.
And abafana bathembisa abantu ababakhuzayo ukubagwaza nokubalimaza. Okwenza uma babe novalo lokuthi bayitshela abafana noma bazotshela wena mkhulu ukuthi abayeka abafana ukwenza lento abayenzayo ngoba baye ekhaya bengasaphethe lutho ma. Bengaphethe ngisho isinkwe ekhaya. So okwanamhlanje ke mkhulu wami nangowala ngakini. Okwanamhlanje ke mkhulu sizocela namhlanje kuphela ukuthi izingane lezo yithuma erenke ungabisayithuma. Vula itafula lakho leli kahle ulihlobise kahle ufake aphula orange pear yonke into ufake nama veg mawuthanda ulihlobise libe lihle kodwa libe la. Hayi ukuthi uvale emkhaya cha. Laba yabagqilaza omama emkhaya wami. So igcina balimaza ogogo bangabisabanayo imali. Yabo uma ubizwa ogogo amasonto emachache elandelana bekhuluma ukukhuluma okukodwa. So nakunina bafowethu sicela nibe nonembeza. Uma sohamba uphethe 1000 uma lapha nengaphethe ngishishumi. Uthini unembeza uma ezofika einganeni nakubazukulu engaphethe lutho. Yabo uhamba uphethe 200 akaphethe ngishimali akana ngishimali ukugibela. Ake kube khona unembeza bafowethu. Asithi vala emkhaya kodwa sithi iyekela ukuthumela abantwana erenke. Sicela ulivule itafula lakho libe likhulu wese noma ningaqala la noma ningaqala lapha ulihlobise. Udayise la kababa. Sicela lonto ngani yakithi siyacela mntaka baba. Kahle kahle sicela unembeza asisho kabi wakithi. Esingakufuni esikusho kabi lokho amakhorekho. Asiwafuni ke wona. Engikholwa nawe uthi emkhaya awuwafuni. Siyaxolisa emkhaya mayifika kabi siyaxolisa kodwa siyacela emkhaya ingane ezingabisayi re. Owakithi wena siyabonga wakithi.
Enya uhambe yekini emakhaya.
Ya ijime futhi.
No iphara leli.
Liphi?
Ile lethunywa kulo baba. Ilapha phara.
Hey!
Awadu baba.
Ungangifuni uzongithola.
Ungangifuni
uzongithola.
Thatha lo banana ubuyisele la uthatha khona.
Isikhathi singakanani ukuthi ufike la? Yeah, sheshe woza la.
Omunye futhi lo obekubhanana lawa lapha phansi.
Hayi lo baba, ilo baba.
Sawuyena lo baba.
Akubuyisele kuyena.
Sewuyena lo baba.
Akubuyisele kuyena.
Wena uthi ngubani?
See us when you still looking your phone like you WhatsApping your friend.